What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles, and today I've got a 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero, the 1700, the V-twin with a 6-speed transmission. Let's take a quick walk around this thing so you can see this thing up close. This does have the Vance & Hines exhaust on it. You see your rear tire there is in good shape. Here in the rear fender, there's just some light marks right there. The rest of this is just kind of like dirt and dust. It rubbed right off of my fingers. Got your turn signal, and tail light. This one does have the shorty antenna on there, which is a nice feature. The factory one is much longer. This one does not have the backrest on it, just has the passenger seat. Going around here, the side of the bags. You can see there's some light scratches here in the clear coat on the bag. Not sure what would have caused that. One goofy thing about these model bikes is to open the bags, you have to have the key in here. I guess it's nice, it keeps you from locking your keys in, but it seems like it could be a little inconvenient at times too. So there's that. There you can see the Vance & Hines exhaust. Come across there. Got your passenger peg, got your rider floorboard, got your brake pedal. Everything in here, the motor is looking pretty nice. Shined up pretty nice, not leaking anything. It fires right up, runs like a champ. Got your side cover here. Here we got the side of the tank. Got some light like scuffs in here on the tank, very similar to what was back here on the bag. There you can see another one like that. But they're not like deep gouges, they're more just like light little scratches in the clear coat. I want to make sure you guys see those. There's another one here coming up and across. Again, this is an interesting paint scheme. I kind of like it. It's the black, like the flat black, but it has a little bit of flake in it, so it gives it like a nice bold look without really shining. This one has the blacked out, the shorty windshield, which gives it kind of a meaner look. Here you can see your headlight. You get the auxiliary lights here and here, and then your 2 turn signals. Got your front fender. Front fender's looking really nice. Fork tubes. There they are there. There's your front brake. You can see this nice custom front wheel. Got like the chrome accent. It gives it like a really nice look, especially against the flat black. Here in the front fender, I want to point out, right here in the front, there's some light scratching, like almost underneath, right there. And then it also comes around here in the front on the nose. There is your fork tube there. There's your front brake on this side. There is the side of the front fairing. There what I thought were marks, just a little bit of dirt, wiped right off. See all that. There's your rider floorboard, toe shifter, the heel shifter. It does have the 6-speed, there's that. Let's get a good look in here at the motor from this side. The thing runs like a champ. There's the side cover. The tank's in nice shape. There's your passenger peg. Here on the side of the bags, there's some light scuffs. I'm thinking maybe these were from the passenger and or the rider getting on and off. Maybe just some light boot scuffs. Again, the bags are locked up without the key. They are side open bags. There's that. Over the top, you got the passenger seat here. Rider seat, this is all one piece. Up over the tank, you got your fuel cap. Turn the ignition on. Got all your radio controls, high beam, low beam, horn, all that. Kill switch, start switch, throttle over here. Get your mirror there on the handlebars.
Which can save you thousands of dollars.
It's got the radio on there. Turn that off so when you hear that. You can see that display in there is working just fine. 5,549 miles. There'll be a few more than that on it after the test drive. Make sure you check out the test drive if you're interested in this bike. Let's fire it up. Vance & Hines pipes rip. Let's make sure these turn signals work. Front signal there, and front signal there. Just jump around to the back. Got your rear signal on that side, and your rear signal on that side. All right, there you go, guys. This is a 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero 1700. Do not miss out on this thing. It's not gonna last long. And thanks so much for watching.